Careful. Ah, come on. Come on. Just get the spot working. Do that. Alright, let me get the radiator support and see if we can get it started. Get a bolt on either side of it to hold it. Which way does it go? I don't remember. I'm guessing like this stuff. I'm pretty sure it goes like this. Yeah, it does. It's got pads in front of it, so you want to feed this up in here. The other side, I set the radiator in it. Like that. Kind of got one in, that side's in. Got my finger pinched in there. Now, get my finger out of it. Wow, this is a cluster. I gotta get that hose down through that hole. In through that hole. Come on. There you go. Okay, I've got the radiator sitting on the supports, the rubber supports. Now, I don't have my stinking ratchet with me because I'm not thinking, but I can get on this side and get one in there. Get one started. I can get my hand in that one. Maybe. Better if I had my ratchet with me though. Oh. Oh yeah. Come on. Nope. Missed. Come on. I got one started on that side. It'll stay put. Should stay put. Let me get my ratchet. Wow. That was fun. I just want to make sure I got this one started well. It's not going to come out of there on me. Not like that, like it just did. Got one started. The other one, get that started. I don't have them tight. They're not tight. I'm just holding them in place. I've got to get everything lined up here. Make sure everything's where it's supposed to be, but I can at least get it started. Okay, now I'm going to go to the other side that you can't see and do the same thing. 2 bolts over there, one of which is here, and one of which is there. Yep. I won't lose any of them. I do not. I got one started. Alright, let me find the other bolt I dropped, which I know is underneath me somewhere. Wow, wasn't that fun? Petcock is closed. We'll check it while we're here. Now I gotta look up in here to see. Let me get my flashlight, one of my flashlights. Let's see what that looks like. The rubber skirts on the side. We need to make sure they're in the right place and they're out where they should be. This one I can feel. I feel like they are, but let me take a look with the flashlight and make sure.